Today I'm going to show you how to make a bill of lading in Caju. The bill of lading, or BOL, is issued by the carrier and serves as a cargo receipt for the cargo to be transported. This document contains detailed information about the cargo, origin, destination, and agreed conditions. It also defines the responsibilities of the carriers and shippers in relation to the safe and efficient transportation of the cargo. The delivery receipt is issued when the cargo is delivered. It attests to the successful completion of delivery and serves as confirmation that the cargo was received in good condition. Back in the Caju system, we go to the transport screen and select a load that has not been picked up. Just select the vehicles and click to the gray pickup button. This is the pickup screen showing vehicle information. I will fill the odometer field with random numbers. Here is the photo part. It is the driver who takes these photos and fills them into the system. I will fill it out and be right back. Right below is the inspection diagram. It shows whether the car has suffered any damage. I'm going to say that it had damage on the door just for example. And in the condition, I'm going to call it ran. Here below you will fill the customer's information and collect their signature. But if it's not there, you can generate a link and send it by email or text message. When he or she opens the link, he will be redirected to this page, which will show all those previous fields already filled in. The customer himself will fill in his information and signature.